Okay guys, a quick video here on the new Foxeer Micro Monster that's coming out. This isn't actually for sale yet, should be out in a couple weeks, but I wanted to do a quick sort of preview video and give you guys a little bit of the image quality. And I wanted to give this to you because I know that a lot of people are looking at the Micro Eagle right now, and we all know what the Micro Eagle looks like. It looks just like the older versions of the Eagle, like I think the Eagle Pro V2. Very similar 16-inch sensor. The Monster Micro here is a 16-inch sensor, but in a micro format. Very similar to the Predator in terms of it's a CMOS camera, but the image processing is extremely different, and the quality of the picture is quite a bit different too. It's 1200 TV lines, and it's actually a little bit smaller here. The Predator here is on the left. You can see the Micro Monster there is mounted in the frame. It's a little bit smaller and lighter. It's about 4.2 grams. But just wanted to give you a sneak peek of what the image quality looks like, because I know some of you guys are looking at the Micro Eagle and might buy that and then regret buying that when you see the Micro Monster. It's going to be out in a couple weeks. So giving you guys a sneak peek, and if you guys have any questions for the actual review that'll be coming out a little bit later, leave those in the comments below and I'll try and address them in the actual video.